Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I share remote job opportunities and ways to make money online in Jamaica and the rest of the Caribbean. Without further ado, let's jump in. The first one on today's list is an opportunity to join Contra's Creator Program. If it's your first time hearing about Contra, they are a freelancer marketplace. Similar to Upwork, but Contra does not take a percentage from the money you make. As mentioned earlier, they want writers to join their creator program and they're willing to pay 2000 USD for a month project in which you will be required to write and share 8 to 10 high quality projects on your Contra portfolio and other socials and your website. If you don't have a website, Contra will help you with that. Contra will also help you with the selection on topics best suited for your profile, search engine optimization or SOE, which will basically make your works more visible on the web. And if you're not a writer but you have other talents that can be transformed into a freelance service, you should consider joining Contra. There is even a job posted on Contra right now that wants a TikTok video creator. Your responsibility is to create 3 to 5 videos per week. So please don't miss out on these opportunities, especially since Contra is pretty young. Next on my list is Talent Pop. Talent Pop is one of the fastest growing agencies in the e-commerce space, leveraging the best customer service talent from all around the world. Companies typically come to Talent Pop looking for customer service professionals, and this is where you come in. Currently, Talent Pop has vacancies for implementation specialists, team lead, training specialists, and customer service agents. I'm going to run through each of those jobs right now. So, first one, implementation specialist. As an implementation specialist, you'll be required to develop and implement the customer service platform configuration, and you'll also work closely with the customer service agents and team lead as it relates to implementation updates on the platform. So, what are the requirements? You need 3 or more years in customer service, a reliable internet connection, and backup internet. Proficient, you need to be proficient in either Excel or Google Sheets, and it would be a plus if you have computer science background and if you have worked with e-commerce tools or software. So what are the benefits? The pay is $5 per hour, and you also get paid time off, health insurance, and dental coverage. All right, next vacancy at Talent Pop is a team lead. So, in a nutshell, as a team lead, you'll be managing the agents by tracking their attendance and KPI and their overall well being on the job. You'll also be responsible for conducting coaching sessions with your agents. So, what are the requirements? You need at least 1 year of experience as a team lead and at least 3 years experience of customer service experience. You need a reliable internet connection. You need to be able to communicate via different channels such as Zoom, Slack, email, and it would be a plus if you have experience in the e-commerce space. So what are the benefits? They did not mention the pay for this one, but the benefits are pretty much the same as the implementation specialist. So you get pay time off and dental and health insurance. Next on the list, Talent Pop wants a training specialist to train their new and current customer service agents. What are the requirements? You need at least 1 to 2 years of customer service training experience, 3 to 5 years of BPO experience in customer service industry, and they would love if you have 1 to 2 years of virtual assistant experience. You also need to be experienced in at least 2 to 3 of the following e-commerce tools slash software such as Gargias, Shopify, Zendesk, Reamaze, Freshdesk. You need to have knowledge and experience in e-commerce, and you need to be familiar with HubSpot, Monday.com, or other CRM tools. So, what are the benefits? Benefits are the same as the team lead, and again, they didn't mention the pay rate. Next job opportunity is customer service agent. And in this role, you'll be responding to customers via email, phone, or chat. And you need a minimum of 2 years experience in customer service. You need reliable internet connection with a backup internet, you need a reliable PC as well. Experience in the e-commerce sector would be an asset, and it's a given to possess customer service skills. So what are the benefits? Benefits are pretty much the same as the other jobs mentioned, and Talent Pop did not mention the pay for this role either. If you're interested in any of these jobs, I'm going to put the links in the description of this video, and good luck guys.